National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Cuming County in northeastern Nebraska, Northwestern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, Southeastern Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lee, or 18 miles northeast of Columbus, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Howells around 7:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Colfax, Cuming, and Stanton. A strong thunderstorm will